Hello everyone, this is Devendra Mato and welcome for this amazing conversation of English. Now there was also my series was coming from that the book says called Atomic Habit written by James Clerk, and I try to summarize the book in my thought or my knowledge and my experience. So that let's start. The second chapter says that how your habits shape your identity. Let's see about the some thing that what is identity. Identity is the phenomena that where we can represent ourselves, that what type of person or what type of people we are offered by someone or who can see ourselves. The first thing that there was having say that first of all, to changing any habit we have to change our identity, and the identity will change after changing the all bad habits and adopting the good habits. And there was having lots of problem in taking the consuming the good habits or losing the bad habit, because if the bad habit will take it with ourselves, that it was having very much longer hour or longer time, so that it will be stuck to ourselves, so that we cannot leave it as far as possible. So that, but if we have replaced this, are you getting my point? If we are replacing our good habit by the bad habit, by adding some extra thing, by taking a small step every day, it will be removed. And the another point has said that we try to change our habit in wrong way. The first of all thing also say that we try to change the habit in wrong way, as because if a person like to visit the television lots of time in a day, maximum to maximum 7 to 8 hours, and he say that from tomorrow I will not watch the television. It could not be possible. The person will not visit the television or not watching the television lots of hours. So that to decrease this time, we have to just take another interest or another thing that need to be stressed out or need to be out from his mindset and after thing. And there are called that the behavior change. The behavior is the very much necessary thing, because behavior of a person represent the good identity or the bad identity or the pleasantest identity of a person, so that it may be defined. The three layer of outcomes are outcome, process and identity. What are the three layers of outcome? The first of all, as you seen the circle, there are three circle in front of that. The first circle was belonging to the outcome. The outcome that was the all over the result that we are delivering from the or delivering to the information that we have of the type of a person. And the second will be the process. The process is mainly defined as the type of action we will try to or do or saying about the thing. And the last is the identity. The person, as I also say that mention that the person of the identity of a person also is represented by its behavior, so that the identity will be shaped by adding the outcome and the processes. Now coming to the first layer, the first layer says that the first layer is changing our outcome. First layer, how it could be changing our outcome? By because if we adding change the first layer changing our outcome as a result that we are the, let's assume that a piece of onion having lots of layer inside them. If we scroll it or layer by layer, there would be say that the first layer was so much unhydrated and not so interested, so that next layer is so interested. So that the first layer is the roughest part of the onion and the biggest part, so that this will be the onion first part. And the second layer change your process. What about the process? The process will be represent or defined to be what type of action do we should we do or practicing for the survivor or any of the thing. The third is the deepest layer changing our identity, because a person's having identity was fixed and not to change very much easily. It's take lots of year, lots of time to consume it. This was having very big action taking a big action by the identity of a person cannot change by a single day. It takes lots of time to create it. And now coming to the another point, outcome based habits or identity based habits. As you can see that if we are looking for a outcome that we first of all, so coming to an example, that let's suppose an person who try to take a good marks in the examination, who try for the best for the outcome, best for the result, and after the time he will leave it, and after the time the outcome of the outcome that will get into the form of marks get decreases, and after the time it will be worst of the thing. Now the identity based habit mention that habit that always go outside first, second and third. The third, all rules, as we can see. The third identity was always better or worse. Because if we figuring out the identity what type of person we are, then we explaining ourselves as a not working for the marks or not working for the any of the thing, just working for the system. So that this would be very much important for ourselves. And there was having very much example also say that let's a person who have very much addicted to person, very much addicted to the person, or a person A try to leave the or try to not consuming the cigarette, but another second person asking for could you sip offer a smoke, so that he say that no, I was not tried, I was not interested. There was having some specific reason to leave it, so that you have to need the specific reason why you want to leave it. Because if you couldn't find the reason, you could not stick toward lots of time or bigger time toward itself, so that you can prioritize. So that and from the all of the day or all of the time, we have the many more works in front of ourselves, so that we have to prioritize our comfortable zone to be minimized. Because our first of all goal is to give comfort zone to our body posture or body self, so that our energy level goes down to, so don't accomplish our comfort, or just to go and out of the comfort zone, and after that you will become a good person. So that there was also say that 3 points also given, that as you can see the 3 points. The goal is to, because if we read the book, you get an information about the self, that what type of information that we get. The first of all goal, the book says that the goal is to not to read the book, the goal is to become a reader. Because while becoming a reader, you was becoming to be a great personality for yourself. For example, let's suppose that if I become a great reader, then I read the menu of the book, getting many more words, phrases, or many of the paragraphs that was written in the English session, and getting lots of information toward myself. But by reading a single book, I will not achieve the consistent by people, or because if we are adopting to the any of the language or any of the thing that we have to be adopted, first of all we have to read it in our minds, and after that we will thought processing and say. Another thing that the goal is to not to run a marathon. Also say that we have to not to run a marathon, not to run for the marks only, not to run for the any of the thing. Our race is to becoming a runner, because everyone tried to becoming to be a gold medalist. That could not be possible for everyone, but the single thing is that for having a good health, we have to becoming to be a good runner, so that we are just crossing the line, and to becoming to be a good in one medal of a gold, or to becoming to be a 10 silver medal, which is the better option. So that this will be say that become a good runner. Always try to remember that we're good, because a small person who will running with a small footstep will go to the longer run or long run, but a person who try to take a jump regularly, so that he will be harsh, or he will be tired after the time, and she will be get down. Now another point say that first of all, impacting our many people walk through life in cognitive stumble, blindly following the norm attached in their identity. Into the basic normal people, the normal identity of a person say that I am terrible with direction, I am not a morning person. That say that's something the book says that many people who is saying that she was not to be a, as the book says that lots of people has trying to uh, say that I am not a morning person, I am terrible with direction, I am always late, I am a bad remembering people's name, I am not good with technology, I am horrible at maths. This was the biggest mistake from ourselves, that we are doing such a blunder mistake from ourselves, that if we are not a morning person, then try to becoming to be a morning person from a and thousand of variation from their self. Try to become a morning person from the future time, so that this will be helping for ourselves. Another thing that say that when you have repeated a story for yourself for a year, it easy to slide this mental groove and accept them as a fact. In fact, you are begin to resist certain action because that's not who I am. There is an internal pressure to maintain your self image and behave in a way that inconsistent with your belief. You find, as the book explains this or says that when you repeated a story of yourself, as you becoming to be a having with a lots of bad habit, or repeating your service or repeating yourself to become from a long time of year long year from for a year, there was easy to slide for the mental growth that you have. Insist with yourself and continue towards your accept the fact, accepting the fact, because we have to accept that we will easily to be crossover through this, because of the small reason that we have passing a year or passing of multiple year by doing the such a thing. To grab and a new habit, we have to take a time or to be consistent toward ourselves, because we are not considered to be a consistent person. Because for becoming to be over addicted to be the bad habits, we have lots of suffering from ourselves, that we are as a just a waste for our thing. So that this will be helping you. Another point was there, the two-step process of changing your identity. How to change your identity? The first step says that your identity image our habit. The identity is specially mainly of just a mixture of habit. If we immerse our habit, to change our habits, small basic habits, we change our identity very easily. So that this will be very much important for ourselves. When you train each day, your embodied identity of an athlete person. Let's suppose a person who wanted to just enjoy the he wanted to make himself to be a person who was a good athlete. To becoming a good athlete, he has to make a body style or body intention for like a good habited person. Because for having a good sport person, he has to figure out his problems that we have. He has to ensure about his self to be a becoming growth related person with lots of exercise, timing of exercise, morning habited person, and doing many more extra criterial thing, so that it will be helping from themselves associated with that behavior. The behavior is also just similar to that one, that we, if we are how much spending in our good habits or spending in our habits to be grow, so that after the time to time the behavior or identity will be shaping. Because if a person who try to shape his identity or shape his try to shaping his original behavior, let's suppose an example say that a person or a boy who doesn't who was good in reading, but he in his mind say that I was not in good in reading, I was not good in maths and lots of thing, and I will skip this part, and I was just a words of the thing. If you are not like to it, but you have to just addicted toward it and becoming to be the part of your life. If it will be part of your life, then you become to be a great personality for yourself. Now there was having also something say that after getting the all of the habit to be a conciled, there was say that each time you write a page, you are a writer, as there should be say that or something to be delivered from myself that the thing, if you are a reader, if you are watching the video or viewing the video, just a thing, every single video that you watch is you are a viewer, just a data consumer from any of the website, from any of the place. Each time you practice a violin, you are a musician. Each time you start a workout, you are an athlete. Each time you encourage your employee, you are a leader. There are having a very much basic phenomena for ourselves, that each time, a single time, because if you take inspiration from any of the thing that has to be discovered, that first of all we have to go to from such a thing, that behind this point, that say that each time you becoming to be a writer, or you are a writer, each time writing a page, because if you writing any of the thing, any of the information in your mind, that should be very meaningful, because if you have investing such a thing from your side. And also say that decide the type of person you want to be. First of all, you have to be decide the person who you are. The first and the last thing that you have to be mention about yourself, any of the success, any of the lowest thing that you have, that is to find yourself, or find yourself about what type of person or what type of people are you. Because if you find yourself you are becoming to be a good athlete runner, then just focusing upon the one running the marathon, running or doing the maximum workout from yourself. But another person who but the same person who was best in the good in academics, but who was just forcing himself to becoming to be a good athlete, so that this was the waste of time for the person for the period of time. Another thing, that prove it yourself with a small wins. To adopt a habit or change identity, by changing your identity, we have to prove it yourself with a small wins. Because if we are consistent person, we have to just involve our small time or small things with our habits, and including it, and the person will be achieved a lot after the time by adding the identities. Okay. And the here the something points, the process can be lead belief, like the person's belief will be say that I am the kind of a teacher who stand up for her student. I am the kind of doctor who gives a patient the time and the empathy they need. I am the kind of manager to advocate for the employee. Because to becoming to the type of person, like you are a manager, you are not interested to saying the good prioritize to the employees, or priority give not respect to the respecting to the employee, so that this will be very much insufficient from themselves. There was also say that the real reason habit matter. How the real reason habit matter? First of all, there was having said that the identity change in north star of a habit change. uh, the real reason habit matter, that identity is the north star of a habit change. Because north star always pointing toward the north pole or the north direction, so that this will be always say that the habit matters. Because the remainder, this book remind you that step by step instruction how to becoming to be the better in the habit in yourself, with your family, team, your company, and anywhere else you wish. But the true question is, are you becoming to be the type of person you want to become? The always say that in our mindset that sometimes we say that we are a good runner, we are a good athlete, I want to becoming to be a good runner, I want to becoming to be a good in academics. Every time not a person to be becoming to. First of all, find the niche, what type of person you are, and go for it, and doing the lots of by achieving the small needs you are first of all need it from yourself, and after time you will exceed it. Now we are coming to the summarizing the chapter. Here are the some points that we have summarized into this last summary. The first point is say that there are three level of change: outcome change, process change, and the identity change. As we can discuss in the current video, that we have to change the uh, current change, that outcome change, process change, and identity change. Most effective way to change our habit is to focus on the what you want to achieve, who you to become. Another thing is that another point says that your identity emerge out of your habit. Your identity emerge with our habit, because our identity becoming to be the what type of action we has to take up. Every action is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Becoming the best version of yourself requires to continuously edit your self belief and upgrade the expanded your identity. The last but not the least, the real reason habit matter is not because they can get you a better result, although they can do that, but because they can change your belief about yourself. This is for the today's video, and meet for the another chapter. For the chapter 3, let's revise through it, how to build better habit in the 4 simple steps.